Hi, my name is Luke, and last year I made the decision to pick up and move from everything I've ever known in Australia to London. Yes, 16,883 kilometres away. Why? Video making. I can do TikTok. Why not YouTube? It was the hardest thing I have ever done, but worth it for the chockies, I'm sure. But this doesn't start in London. It starts right here. I kind of wish I started filming this earlier. I'm 22 days out from my flight, and me and my housemates were talking, and Hannah come up with a great idea. Why don't you vlog it? Back in the day, if you did something stupid but cool like this, you could only tell people about it. But these days, you can show them. This has been in the works since February, and I think filming it now doesn't quite do it justice. I'm glad I got the clip from when I decided to and when we picked up Blake, but we're going to pick up from right now. That was probably the hardest thing I've ever done ever. Probably will ever do ever. And I don't think at any point will that ever get easier ever. I was chilling, man. I had a 2 days ago. Other than that, fine. Going through today, everything was cruisy. This suitcase weight issue, I don't know what's with me. I always pack way too much. But we had to throw some stuff around with my 2 carry-ons. We had to drop 6 kilos. We dropped 3. And now I'm just praying that they don't weigh my bags again. Anyway, the last 2 weeks have been the best time of my life. I've tried to video as much as possible. Went to the movies and watched Anyone But You. I don't like romantic comedies at all, but that one was not bad. Then I had all my boxes picked up. Sorry, there's someone looking at me. Got them on a Wednesday and told them to pick it up on a Friday, and then I stalled until Thursday afternoon because I straight up didn't want to do it. It was stressful. On the agenda now is packing, and now that I don't need my PC anymore, I think that is going to be the first things to go. That little puppy under there. I have no idea what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm packing. I don't even know where to start. So I'm just going to go for it and hope that it works out. And if I forget things, then I forget things. I'm so tired. I didn't sleep very well last night. Now I'm going to pack my suitcase and then cancel my gym membership. And then tomorrow I'm selling my car and the boxes are getting picked up. And I'm having a party. I'm just going to put on some Netflix or YouTube and just crack on. I could do for a nap though. I could do with a nap. I just want a nap.
Staring at the blank page before you, open up the dirty window, let the sun illuminate the words that you could not find. Reaching for something in the distance, so close you can almost taste it. Release your inhibitions, feel the rain on your lips. No one else can feel it for you, only you can let it in. No one else can speak the words on your lips. Put yourself in words unspoken, live your life with eyes wide open. Today is
they're my fucking glasses. No? They're mine. Yeah, no, that's good. Focus. He's going to focus now. Paparazzi. Oh, I'm going to count us. Oh, I'm talking about a podcast. Okay, cut. Yes. How come I feel like this guy? That's one Luke saying. That's the thing. That's the you can't.
And then I went to get a haircut at my best mate's place. If you're looking for a haircut in Victoria, anywhere, it's worth a 3-hour drive. This guy not only gives a good haircut, he brings the vibes. This is how my mate parks. Is he serious? But it was a big day for him. He chopped off all his hair. I still think he looks just as ugly, but good on him.
Hell yeah.
And that was it. That was Sunday. Today's Wednesday morning. Didn't sleep at all last night. We've had issues with the house. We've had issues with the packing. It's all been issues. We made it. My flight board's in an hour and 20 minutes, and if it hasn't hit me like a truck of bricks, it probably will now.
This Dubai airport is fucking ginormous. I've never seen a bigger airport. Now I'm walking to my gate, which I think is this way.
I turn the music up, I got my records on. I shut the world outside until the lights come on. Maybe the streets are alive, maybe the trees are gone. I feel my heart stop beating to my favorite song. And all the kids
Say something.
Hello. The Porsche engineers knew exactly what their objective was. To make the new 911 GT3 RS the most powerful Porsche for the road.
I wonder what Hannah's saying.
The water gods. Six.
Is she done yet? That's a lot of waffle. I'm so sorry. Welcome everyone, meet Hannah.
Hi.
We're moving in together with someone else you'll meet in the next video.
We have moved in.
We've been here for, what day is it? Today's Tuesday, we got here last Wednesday.
What?
Yeah, it's almost been a week. Tomorrow's everyone's 1 week anniversary. Well, our 1 week anniversary.
Oh, okay, I'll save that for tomorrow.
And we're actually very lucky because I landed on Wednesday night and Hannah picked up the keys Wednesday morning.
Yeah, Wednesday morning, in and out, straight here, straight to the airport, but we'll get into that.
What was the first meal we had? It was very exciting.
I mean, the bougiest of bougie.
Yes.
Domino's pizza.
Domino's.
Other brands available.
Not sponsored.
Not spawn.
Those watching from Australia, you're probably thinking, why Domino's?
No, Domino's is good here.
The Domino's here is banging.
Yeah,
it was banging. I had a SIM card.
Yeah.
But I didn't have anything to take my SIM card out. I had a stapler the first night. It didn't work, and then I lost it.
We tried tweezers. We tried mini scissors.
Yeah, we tried everything we had in our skeleton of a house. And then, being the early bird I am, I woke up at 6:30. And what time did your first alarm go off?
Maybe 9. Maybe 8:45.
Yeah, so I was twiddling my thumbs until whenever you got up, which was what, probably 9:30.
Yeah. Sorry, apologies.
You should be, but it's all right. I'll take the apology.
Yeah. I mean, you told me that you knew I woke up when your phone started dinging because my hotspot came through.
Yep. I didn't have Wi-Fi for ages. Everyone back home wants to know how I am, and I cannot reply. And then all of a sudden, bing, 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 everyone asking how I am and if I'm all right. And I was like, you know what? Hannah's awake.
Yeah. How are you finding the cold?
I love it. This is my kind of weather. My kind of weather is cold but not windy and not wet. And that is exactly how the last week has been, bar some sprinkling, which has been really, really good.
That may change, but for now.
For now, I'm loving it.
We went to the city.
We went to London town.
Luke really wanted to see Big Ben, so I thought, let's go to Big Ben. It was night time, but Big Ben doesn't disappear at night. So
crazy, he's still there.
Believe it or not.
He wasn't sleeping, he was very much awake. Saw the Eye of London.
The London Eye.
The London Eye.
And of course, I took you into F1 Arcade just for 2 minutes.
Yes, that was really sick. That was the best. Anyone who has ever been knows exactly what we're talking about.
Better than Big Ben.
Big Ben doesn't play F1 noises, so
Big Ben doesn't have F1 radio quotes on its wall. Josh got here before our third housemate, so that's fine, but it's just hilarious.
It's so funny.
Don't let the air out, Josh. Leave the air in.
Thank you. This is going to be awesome. I'm excited to see what comes out of this house, and I'm sure you guys are as well. Are you excited?
I am so pumped already.
This is going to be awesome.
Watch the space. Watch this wide open space with no furniture in it.
I'll show you our couch. Peace out.
Peace out.
They not only didn't pick me up at the airport, but this is what I have to sit on.
Wait.
What's up? What's
Dude, we
up?
made it.
Welcome. Welcome.
Oh God. Oh my God.